Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to make your songs as private on the application of Suno. You will go to Suno app. Here in this page, you will go to this window of library and you will click. Here in this page, you will go to this sign as you see and you will enter. Then you will click on make private and you will click to make it private as you see on the application of Suno. So that's all. Don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.